Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Ananta by Jet Realty located in Andheri West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the construction has started. Also, this over here is the main road and the neighborhood. The road you can see leads directly to Andheri railway station. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this is the actual land parcel of the project where you can see the construction has started. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of approximately 0.5 acre that has one tower, and the special part about the project is that it has two basement, ground plus one podium that is unique with this location. Also, it has 12 habitable floors that have 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Speaking of the location, the project is located near to Andheri West railway station, from where Andheri West railway station is at a distance of 2 minutes walk. SV Road is at a distance of 1 minute, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 3 minutes drive, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has gym, garden, senior citizen zone, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Let's now talk about the configurations and the carpet areas. As said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 530 to 828 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 951 to 1330 square feet. Talking about the booking process now, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 2 lakhs for 2 BHK and 3 lakhs for 3 BHK. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Ananta by Jet Realty located in Andheri West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.